Welcome to our quick introduction on buying and activating your Blue Raven license and how to get top-up feather packs. Blue Raven also has a bunch of features for your WordPress site that do not need a license. So let's start by clicking on Settings. On this page, you can see the uninstall and debug options. More on that in the full walkthrough. Now let's click on the User tab. On this tab, you will see a License Missing message. And below that, click the Get a License button. This will take you to the store on IndexNow. On the store page, there is a selection of subscription options for Blue Raven. Select the one that best suits your needs and start the checkout process. If you don't already have an IndexNow account, you can create one during checkout. Once you have completed your purchase, you can then retrieve your license key. As you can see, we have a few products already, but you would only have the Blue Raven license initially. Select View Details next to the license key to see the key and other information. As you can see, we have previously validated this license. Now you can just copy the license key and head back to your WordPress install. Now paste the key into the license key field and click the Validate License key. You will see that the screen displays Valid License and that the feather count has populated. That's it. Now you're ready to use the Blue Raven generative tools to help you with your WooCommerce store. Now, if you run out of feathers, you can click on the blue feather at the top of the screen. This will take you to the feather store on IndexNow. Simply select the feather pack that suits your requirements, add it to your basket, and go through the checkout process. Once you have checked out, head back to your WordPress install, and you will see your feather count has increased by the amount you have purchased. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance, please contact us via portal.interhost.com or support@interhost.com.